Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi everyone, welcome to Test Prep Training. In this video you will learn about the top interview questions for Salesforce Administrator. So let's get started. Question number 1, what is the use of web request limits? Your answer is, limits are placed on the number of long-running web requests in order to make sure that the resources are available for all the users of Salesforce. Salesforce monitors the number of concurrent requests issued by all users logged into an organization, and then compares the number with the maximum limit. So, in this way, the number of concurrent requests stays below the maximum limit. Moreover, the limits ensure that the resources are available uniformly, and hence prevent deliberate overconsumption by any organization. Question number 2, what are collapsible sections? Your answer is, collapsible sections allow users to collapse or expand sections on their record detail page, with the use of the arrow icon present next to the section heading. While enabling collapsible sections, one needs to verify that the section headings are displayed for each page layout. Until the user changes the settings for a tab, the sections remain expanded or collapsed. If an organization has enabled record types, Salesforce remembers a different setting for each such record type. Question number 3, explain the use of Quick Create. Your answer is, the Quick Create area on a tab home page lets users create a record quickly with the use of minimal information. By default, it displays on the tab home pages for leads, contacts, accounts, and opportunities. Moreover, an individual can control whether the Quick Create area is displayed on all relevant tab home pages. Question number 4, what does the term Full View emphasize? Your answer is, Full View displays the record information in a data-dense, single column. This view presents details and related lists by managing to put all the information on the same page. This view is similar to Salesforce Classic if you're transitioning to Lightning Experience. Question number 5, how is defining a fiscal year helpful? Your answer is, the definitions of fiscal year allow you to use these fiscal periods throughout Salesforce, including in reporting, opportunities, and forecasting. So, if your fiscal year follows the Gregorian calendar and does not start in January, then you can define a standard fiscal year with a different starting month. Additionally, if your fiscal year follows a different structure from the Gregorian calendar, then you can define a custom fiscal year in such a way that it meets your needs. However, whether you use a custom fiscal year or a standard fiscal year, you define individual fiscal years one time. Question number 6, how can we freeze or unfreeze a user's account? Your answer is, in order to freeze or unfreeze an account, follow the given steps. 1. From the setup, enter users in the quick find box and then select users. 2. Select the username of the account that you wish to freeze. 3. Click freeze to block access to the account, or unfreeze in order to allow access to the account again. Question number 7, what is the need of user licenses? Your answer is, one must choose a license for each user, so as to enable specific Salesforce functionality for your users. For enabling more functionality, one can assign permission set licenses, and feature licenses to the users or may buy usage-based entitlements for the company. Question number 8, describe delegate administrative duties. Your answer is, use delegated administration to assign limited admin privileges to users in your org who aren't administrators. For example, let's say you want the customer support team manager to manage users in the support manager role, and all subordinate roles. Create a delegated admin for this purpose so that you can focus on other administration tasks. Question number 9, what is the use of profiles? Your answer is, profiles basically define how users access objects and data, and what can they do within the application. When we create users, we assign a profile to each of them. In Contact Manager and Group Edition organizations, we can assign standard profiles to the users, but can't see or edit the standard profiles, and can even create custom profiles. Question number 10, what do you know about name credentials? Your answer is, well, a named credential specifies the URL of a callout endpoint, along with the required authentication parameters in one definition. In order to simplify the setup of the authenticated callouts, you need to specify a named credential as the callout endpoint. If instead a URL is specified as the callout endpoint, you must register that URL in the organization's remote site settings and handle the authentication. Question number 11. Explain transaction security. Your answer is: transaction security is that framework which intercepts the real-time Salesforce events, and also applies relevant actions and notifications based on the security policies created. It monitors events according to the policies that are set up. These policies are applied against events in the org, and specify actions to take when certain combinations of events. When a policy is triggered, you can take an action and receive an optional notification. Question number 12. What is the use of Shield platform encryption? Your answer is: Shield platform encryption gives a completely new layer of security to data while preserving the critical platform functionality. This enables encryption of sensitive data at rest, and not only when transmitted over a network, so that the company can confidently comply with privacy policies, regulatory requirements, and also contractual obligations for the handling of private data. Question number 13. Explain the Salesforce security feature. Your answer is: the Salesforce security feature helps in empowering the users to do their jobs with safety and efficiency. Salesforce limits the data exposure to the users that act on it. Implementation of security controls is appropriate for the sensitivity of data. Question number 14. Define Salesforce Edge Network. Your answer is: Salesforce Edge Network delivers a consistent user experience regardless of the location of a user. It improves the download times and network experience of users, and it's required for enhanced domains. The move to Salesforce Edge Network is seamless for end users. They use the same URLs to access the organization with a better experience. Question number 15. How is real-time event monitoring helpful? Your answer is: real-time event monitoring helps in monitoring and detecting standard events in Salesforce in real time. We can store the event data for the purpose of auditing or reporting. Alongside, we can create transaction security policies using Condition Builder or Apex code. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.